Hey guys, it's Stephanie Johnston over at the Johnston team of Service First Mortgage and wanted to share some great news today about VA financing. So if you guys did not know this about me, one thing that I've done a lot of in my career is VA loans. I had the great opportunity many years ago to basically have about 75% of my business be originated in VA purchase lending, which is not very common unless maybe a loan officer lives in a military town, which I do not. But I got the great opportunity to do so, not only to give back to our veterans, but to learn the product inside and out and learn how great it is. So it's something that I believe in I think it's an amazing product itself. So it's money saving and to the consumer and a great option. And then again, being able to thank those veterans of just some way to give back and make their home financing a little bit cheaper. So one thing that is changing on this as of January 1st, 2020, is there is going to be an allowance to finance more. So we're going to have a higher loan allowances than we do right now. So if you buy a home now, a lot of people don't realize in general that you can finance and you can buy $1 million home and still get a VA loan. A lot of people think that they're lower loan amounts. If you do that, you basically do have to have a down payment. So right now, roughly what we do is we take the sales price less the county limit, and the consumer puts about 25% of that down. There's some other variables and some things we take into consideration, but if you're just saying roughly, that's about what you're looking at. And they bring that to the table so they can still get a pretty large loan, but they just need a down payment. Well, as of January 1st, 2020, VA is actually removing that guidance requiring the down payment. So we're going to be able to go to those higher loan limits and finance 100%, which is super cool. So right now, this is something that just came out in the last couple of weeks. We don't have investor guidance as far as is there going to be an absolute limit or what does this look like? We just know that ceiling or the requirement for that 25% is being removed. So there'll be more coming out on this. If you have some specifics or your specific situation or you're an agent that has a client and you want to see if a specific loan product works, definitely reach out. We'd love to help you out and see if that's going to be a scenario for you. But again, the overall premise on this is just that's going to be removed, allowing more homeowners to get into financing with VA and just being allowed to do so with just a little less out of pocket if that's the way they want to go. So I hope this information was helpful. If you need anything from us, please reach out and we will hope to assist you soon. Again, it's Stephanie Johnston over at the Johnston team of Service First Mortgage.